break free from one-dimensional manufacturing into a new era of productivity. Where shuttles maneuver through an open manufacturing space with 6 degrees of control freedom based on magnetic levitation technology. Explore a new manufacturing paradigm. Shuttles navigate independently from station to station, tilt, turn, and move together in tight formation, rotate endlessly, cross paths, utilize every millimeter of the surface, delivering unprecedented productivity on a fraction of the floor space. Synchronizing seamlessly with CNC, machine vision, and robotics. Simplifying processing stations or eliminating them entirely. ACOPOS 60, creating new dimensions of adaptive manufacturing.